Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor for the Greater Seattle area, and I'm here with your weekly mortgage rate update for the first week of August 2025. Well, the July job numbers last Friday really missed expectations with just 73,000 jobs added versus the 110,000 that were forecasted. So May and June totals were also revised down significantly by 258,000, and the unemployment rate ticked up a little bit from 4.1 to 4.2%. So the jobs report has been controversial for quite a while, and if you've been watching my videos, you know how I feel about it. But typically, the numbers come out much stronger than expected, with revisions that follow, bringing the numbers back down to what they're probably more accurate at being. But it impacts mortgage rates dramatically. When the jobs numbers seem to be stronger than what's expected, it makes rates deteriorate, and the reverse is true. So the BLS finally presented figures that were fairly accurate, in my opinion, which didn't make Trump so happy, so he fired the messenger. With that worse than expected jobs data from Friday, the CME currently has odds forecasted at 94% that the Fed will reduce the funds rate at September's meeting by a quarter point. So we'll have to wait and see if that happens. Octal Blue shows that mortgage rates as of last Friday, August 1st, averaged 6.651%, which is about a quarter point lower than what I reported from our last report on the previous Friday. So this is a nice trend, and that is from the jobs report. Please remember that this Octal Blue index is an average from about 35% of mortgage lenders who use Octal Blue when they go in to lock in their interest rates. And when they are locking, we don't know how many points are being used to price out the interest rate, what somebody's credit scores are, or their loan to value, and all the different factors that go into pricing a mortgage rate. So it's just intended to show an average. And if you would like to have a rate quote based off of your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to provide that for you. And this week looks really boring, especially after Friday's events that happened. So it's not a lot on the calendar for this week. Our next Fed meeting will be September 17th, 2025. As I prepare this for you, mortgage-backed securities are having another good day. The green mark represents an improvement to pricing with mortgage-backed securities, which translates to better mortgage rates. So you can see on how I've highlighted the BLS jobs report from Friday. Each dash is a day there. That how that helped improved mortgage rates or the direction of mortgage rates. The other day, a person who was trying to shop rates told me that the other lender was refusing to provide a written quote to her. He said that she'd have to have her credit ran and complete a application before he would provide her a quote in writing, and that's just simply wrong. Maybe it's their company policy, but you should be able to get a written report or detailed quote before deciding which lender you want to have run your credit or go through the effort of submitting an application. And so when someone asks me like what rates are today, I do need to get additional information to provide that for them because there are several factors that go into pricing rates. This is typically what I need before I can provide a rate quote. So I mean, it's pretty basic. I just need to know, is it a purchase or a refinance? What's the estimated value of the home, estimated loan amount, or how much down payment you have available if it's a home that you're buying, and what your estimated credit scores are. And I also need to know if you're going to live in the home or are you going to rent it? What's your use for the property? How many units? Is it a single family or a duplex or up to a fourplex? And what county the home is located in, because some areas have different loan limits. So, but what I don't need is a complete application or to run your credit. So in order to provide you with just a written quote. So you can go online to mortgageporter.com and use a form to request this, or just reach out to me and give me this information, and I'm happy to send you a quote. No hassle. If you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling, or a reverse mortgage, or maybe restructuring debt, I'm always happy to help you. Even if it's months away, we can set up a discovery call. So take care, and I hope to talk with you soon. Bye-bye.